And the bitch lick up my level 12 Pro Max out of my hand when me update. Tell me if I not for angle she. Because the first thing me I do, me I spray the whole blood clot shred them before me angle them. You know? You think me a idiot? You think me a idiot? If you see 3 blood clots smarty and attack one, and I know say the other 2 are gonna come attack me. No, me a do. Me a drop on like fly. Yeah, because if me go blood clot all was who to tell it the 2 upcoming Batman them now go jump on me. So you know I'm going to kill 3 of them first. Me hold it and spray the whole 3 of them and then me angle them blood clot. And then the security would have to take me off of them and I just boom a taxi and go my blood clot. Yeah, they never know. But no, that pass and that gone. I mean never blood clot come live, come talk about it. Me only make a snap, a little snap and post about it and I tell people say you have to stay out your problem, whatever. I never did pick no why. I heard it on your WhatsApp I show this and show that. Remember, Batman, fuck you, go and come. That's why you're not getting no flesh, because your bones and flesh they made up of fish. And fish don't go flesh. They go bones. Yeah. Tell people them why you can't get fat. Tell the people them why you see you? Your Nicky Croman is one big abomination. The 2 of is one big abomination. 2 of is one big abomination. None of no blood clot better than none. Because Nicky TV people them money. Teeth the people them room money and go blood clot make store. And then you work for blood clot Nicky Chromas in the cream place and teeth the woman cream and go make your cream. No, the 2 of big blood clot abomination to the society. The 2 of a big blood clot dark shit to society. You know for there in Jamaica. Back of some blood clot wars for there. When nobody no know them place there. You can't argue with me. And then you call yourself independent. Remember teeth, you work for the woman your teeth, the woman cream. And come out and suck their seed. The 2 of is a big fucking thing. Might as well you got friend. I hope this life can turn and to be the bestest of bestest friend. And then probably can Nicky Cromas can give you a little body. And probably you can give her some of the money and the cars and etc. None of you can blood clot stand me. None of you. What do you? See, I'll not need blood clot Renee 630. She thinks I'm gonna have people in your account. Me not trouble this. Me say me angle everybody tonight. Me I talk the things that mama know. Me not trouble this woman. I don't trouble this woman. Flavia turned to me and said, I think you should give back the lady her page. I said, why me if you go spend months in a prison and give back woman her page? You're crazy? Flavor turned to me and said she wouldn't do that neither. She never go give her back neither. She'd have to go run some more time. Anyway, she showed me some screenshot where the not new woman post on her WhatsApp. And not only Flavor sent me that screenshot, Dahlia Shanti sent me that screenshot because she blocked Dahlia Shanti. So me ask Flavor, why you think me forgive back when or when you got friend, you want your friend them got friend, but when your friend in a fight, your friend not help you fight, you come talk about gang. I don't believe no such thing as gang bang. Furthermore, I'm glad the live I done that me for top chat. Furthermore, what day when me and blood clot long tongue Flavor she did at it and her bubble man did blood clot come. They never see me come live come say she and her man gang me. But the Starky said she attacked me. I didn't say she gang me, say she attacked me. Anyway, I salute the end. Thank you guys for watching. I don't business. Then she said she replied to the story and said me I got talk to her. Who the fuck is you? Made the teeth page together? You know about when me did that teeth page because me never know say yes my blood clot. Yeah, is what? Yes, a secretary for me? Yes, my manager? I never know say me did plan for teeth page for you and come counsel me for tell me for give back people page. I never know say me was in custody and rub the days them and rub the months them. Wicked over there for you to come tell me no say for give back people her page. I say I'm not give her back her page. And she can't prison me again for the page because I done got prison already for the page. Anyways, it caused one big argument that Renee have a block her from her WhatsApp and then she end up back black Renee.